channel. I hope you're all super well today. I am going to transform my hair. I'm going to be sticking with the green theme. I'm really loving the kind of green vibes at the moment my hair has got. It's a little bit patchy, it has faded a lot since I got it dyed, and I'm just ready for a new colour. I want something a bit more vibrant and yeah, less patchy, and I just want a new look. So I'm going to be trying out a hair dye brand I've never used before today. I've never used Manic Panic. I don't know why, I've just never really gotten my hands on it, but I went to my local hair shop the other day in town and they've got loads of different brands there for hair dye, and I saw it and I was like, do you know what, I think I'm actually going to try it because they've got some really nice kind of like deep dark rich colours, and I really wanted to go like a deep kind of green. So I'm going to be using the Enchanted Forest shade from Manic Panic. This is the one right here, so it's kind of like, I don't know if you can see, like a deep green. So I hope it comes out kind of like that. Obviously my hair's quite light, so it probably will be like a vibrant dark green. And then I'm mixing things up today. I'm also going to be using the Toxic UV Lime Green Crazy Colour shade. I did my hair all over in this colour recently and I honestly loved it. The video went insane on Instagram and YouTube, but I'm going to use it within this tutorial today. I'm going to be doing 2 streaks at the front here in this colour. I don't know why, I just thought it might look quite cool. Let's give it a go. I did something similar to my VP Fashion wig recently and I really liked it. So yeah, those are the 2 colours we're going to be using today. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. You had a little sneaky peek at the beginning of this video of what the outcome's going to look like. But yeah, let's get dyeing.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
dye is on. I'm going to leave it on for about 45 minutes, I reckon. And then I will wash it out, blow dry it, and show you the finished results. I'm super excited. I'm loving the colour already. It is really, really green on top here. It looks so good. I have to say, I'm really super impressed with the Manic Panic dye. It's got like a nice kind of thick, creamy consistency, which is super easy to work with. It goes a long way. Like, I've probably got maybe 1/10 of the pot left. I've got a little bit left in the pot. But whenever I've used Crazy Colour before, for example, if I'm comparing the two, I've always had to use like 2 pots on my hair, because Crazy Colour is a lot more kind of watery. I have to say, like, that's why, I don't know if you can see, look, splash my water. But yeah, that's why, like, the Crazy Colour is so watery, it kind of just goes everywhere. But I feel like the consistency of the Manic Panic, you're less likely to drop it on the floor, put it on your clothes and stuff. Like, I didn't really drop anything on me, to be honest. I probably could have dyed my hair wearing this white t-shirt. You guys would have been impressed. But yeah, I have to say, really impressed with the Manic Panic. Consistency, it seems really super pigmented, really easy to apply, and like really blend in with your hand. You didn't really need to use a brush, but I like to use a brush on my roots. Yeah, let's wait and see how it comes out. So I will be back soon with my hair washed. I'm back, and oh my god, I got green hair. It's looking good. I'm intrigued to see how this lime green bit comes out. Well, it does look vibrant. Just because when I washed it out, I wasn't sure whether it was going to go into some of this dark green and then just kind of like lose the vibrancy. Let's get blow drying and see how it looks when it's dry. So guys, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I feel like I look like Gwen Stefani or some sort of kind of like pop star. I don't, maybe I'm getting Avril Lavigne vibes. I'm getting vibes from someone. This is so cool. I love how it has actually come out like a really nice kind of like, it's like a deep green but with like a tint of blue. It's so nice though. I'm glad it's come out like a deepy dark shade rather than like kind of more of like a lighter bright colour, if you get what I mean. It's so cool. I'm loving these streaks at the front as well. I feel like I did just the right amount to just have like those 2 little front bits there. And like when I do like half updos and stuff, I can kind of just leave those bits at the front. So say I was to do like a little bun or something, then I could like do my bun and leave those little bits at the front. Cute. I'm gonna have loads of fun with this hairstyle. I'm definitely gonna film some tutorials with this hair so you guys can see how I kind of style it up. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Are we liking this new look? Are we liking this hair transformation? Please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really, really hope you have. And yeah, I will see you guys here in another video very, very soon. I've popped links below to the dyes that I have used. Also, all of the brushes I've used are from Tangle Teaser. If you want to shop those, the blow drying one is honestly amazing. I use it every time I blow dry my hair. So those links are below as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys here in another video very, very soon. Peace out.